Welcome back to our series, Part 5, Audio Mastery in CapCut. Today, we're diving into Episode 6, Noise Reduction and Audio Cleanup, making your sound clearer. Let's get started. First things first, we're going to start with a quick opening hook on camera. Here I am in my studio. I've got a friendly, reassuring tone. Have you ever recorded a voiceover only to hear background noise, like fans, cars, or people talking? Don't worry. In this episode, lines show you how to use CapCut noise reduction and audio cleanup tools to make your sound crystal clear. Now let's throw in an on-screen title animation. Something like this should do the trick. Now back to our tutorial. And, of course, before we dive in, let's encourage our viewers to like, subscribe, and share. Here's our on-screen prompt. Before we dive in, remember to like, subscribe, and share so more creators can improve their audio quality. Alright, let's get to it. Step 1. Import your audio or voiceover. Start by importing your video or voiceover with background noise. Step 2. Find Noise Reduction tool, tap on your audio track, then go to Adjust and select Noise Reduction. We'll add some on-screen text to help guide our viewers. Tap on your audio track gives noise reduction. Step 3. Adjust noise reduction level. You'll see a slider for noise reduction strength. Use low for light background noise, medium for moderate noise, and high if your environment was really loud. We'll also add a tip here. Too high may reduce voice clarity. Step 4. Compare before and after. It's crucial to compare before and after. Play the audio clip. First raw, then play it again after applying the noise reduction. This way you can truly appreciate the difference. Let's add an on-screen split screen, before versus after. Step 5. Volume and equalizer adjustments. After reducing noise, adjust your volume levels and use an EQ preset like Pop or Studio to enhance your voice tone. And now it's time for a quick tip on better audio recording. While CapCut's noise reduction is fantastic, it's always better to record in a quiet place, speak close to the mic, and avoid echo. Clean input equals cleaner results. Let us add a checklist here. Quiet room, close to mic, avoid echo. We're almost there. Let's do a quick recap. Here's what you've learned. 1. Import your voiceover. 2. Go to Adjust greater than noise reduction. 3. Choose the right strength low, medium, high. 4. Compare before and after. 5. Fine-tune with volume and EQ. And that's how you clean up audio in CapCut. It's time to wrap things up. Here I am on camera again, this time with a big smile and thumbs up. Now your audio is clean, clear, and professional. In the next episode, we'll look at balancing audio levels, background, voice, and effects harmony, so all your sounds blend perfectly together. Before we go, let's motivate our viewers with an encouragement to like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to comment below with your story of recording in the noisiest place ever. Here's our on-screen end card. Next, Part 5, Episode 7, Balancing Audio Levels and Comment, your noisiest recording story. That's a wrap on another editing tutorial. Stay tuned for more. Until next time, happy editing.